Hello Priya, how are you?
Hello Ravi, I am fine thanks. How are you?
I am doing very well. Have you visited any favorite travel destination in India?
Oh yes, I love to travel. There are many beautiful places in India. I have been to Goa and Kerala. Goa's beaches are vibrant and the seafood is delicious. The backwaters in Kerala are calm and the houseboat ride is comfortable.
Goa looks amazing. I always wanted to do water sports there, and Kerala seems peaceful. Did you stay in a houseboat?
Yes, I did. It was a unique experience. Hampi in Karnataka is another favorite. The ancient ruins there are mesmerizing.
Hampi looks attractive. I like history. Did you learn about it while you were there?
Yes, Hampi used to be a kingdom. Walking among the ruins feels like going back in time.
It sounds like an interesting journey through time. I need to research more about Hampi and plan a trip there. Thanks for the recommendation, Priya.
Welcome Ravi. I'm glad I could share some of my favorite travel experiences with you. India truly has something for everyone, whether you're a beach lover, nature lover or history lover.
Absolutely. I can't wait to explore more of our incredible country. Maybe we can plan a trip together sometime.
That would be fantastic. Traveling with friends makes the experience even more memorable. Let's plan something soon.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks again, Priya. I'm already excited about our next adventure.
Me too, Ravi. Until then, happy travels.
Have a nice journey too, dear. Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.